Hey, this is Patrina from Kernel. Many MSL teams struggle to analyze their insights and identify strategic opportunities from them. One way to make this process easier is by implementing a set of guidelines around how insights should be entered. So some things for you to consider might be how and when you include HCP contact information in the insight. For example, does it make sense to say Dr. Smith thinks this when that contact information is already linked to the insight? Some teams like to add context around the HCP versus the HCP's name, such as this outcomes researcher believes this. Another thing to consider are acronyms. Does your therapeutic area have a bunch of acronyms that all mean the same thing? Might make sense to have your team use one or have some rules around how these acronyms are used. What this does is makes the processing and analysis of the insights a lot simpler for the person that has to do it. It makes keyword searches as well as filtering way easier. For more information on how to implement guidelines for your insights entry, check out our tip of the week. Thanks for listening. See you next week.